Yes, family. 22 minutes for my kitchen clock to be exact. Now at this stage, you're going to need 2 mittens. We're going to go right in. Camera girl, can you get in? Right inside the oven there. In down right in, camera girl. Are you in? And I'm coming right in here. And I'm coming straight from the oven. Right on top of my table there. Okay. So I know I'm ready. I'm going to turn my oven off. Now look at this beauty. Look at this baby. Look at this beautiful baby. Now look at this y'all. Look at it. Look at it. From the east, from the west, from the north, and from the south. Baked chicken straight from the oven. Now we're going to go right in with a dinner fork, and we're going to test for the texture. First of all, we're going to take piece. You're going to look at it from the bottom. Look at what is happening inside the casserole. Look at every piece can be turned over. And you don't need to turn it, y'all, inside the oven. You don't need to. Look at it. It didn't have anything sticking and all that nasty burning. We didn't put any foil. No. And look at it. This is how you have it. And there you have it. Juicy, soft, tender, succulent baked chicken. Every piece can be turned and lifted over, y'all. Nobody's stuck. Now, I'm going to taste for you all. And you know you can serve this up with any staple of choice. Just imagine this with the Jamaican rice and peas, y'all. That is on the channel. Honey child, your husband's favorite dish is baked chicken with Jamaican rice and peas. Come on, girl. Get ready. So we're going to take out, I'm going to take a little piece, a small piece. Okay? And this is a piece of breast. I'm going to leave it there to cool. Remember, I did tell you that you can boil the excess, put a little water. Now I've done that. Okay? And I want to show you when you add a little water to it and leave it to boil. This is what the texture of it looks like. Now it is like gravy instead of a sauce. So you can proceed to put it inside your gravy bowl. You know your gravy bowl, that sort of boat shaping thing there. And you put it to the table. Now you don't have to remove from the casserole. You're setting your Christmas dinner table. Look at this casserole, clean and pretty and nice, presentable. You don't have to remove from the casserole. You just set to how you want to set to fix your table. This is quite fine. This is okay to lay on the table for your gathering, your Christmas dinner, whatever it is. This is okay. It is presentable. All you got to do, if you have any little, you just clean around with your hand towel, damp it. You know my thing is I do it all the time. This is presentable to put on the dinner table or on the dining table. You don't have to remove it, okay? So, right now, I'm going to go right in. I'm going to test. And this is the breast. I want to test the breast because, you know, the breast is always a part with that sort of, you know, people always say the breast taste this and the breast taste. Camera girl, can you get right in? Okay, yeah. I like breast, so I always try to test. Oh, Lord. Lord have mercy. Oh, Jesus. Okay. This is debbbidebs.com. If you have liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. Continue to subscribe as you're doing just that. Thank you so much. Thank you all. I'm at 700 subscribers. I'm so elated. Thank you. Continue to subscribe. Yeah, I'm not long. I'm a baked chicken. Family, I wish you all were here to taste this. Now, baked chicken from scratch in depth. Okay, y'all? Now, remember, my new channel is up. We're going to leave the link inside in the description. Up and over. That is where we chat in patois. Never hear patois. We chat in patois. We translate in patois. We're doing everything Jamaican over there. And from my kitchen to yours again, it's baked chicken. From scratch, in depth. Remember, Christmas dinner, this is one of the protein. I am 1 down, okay, y'all, on the protein. And Debbie from down a yard, cut me a cut. Remember, up on over to the Jamaican Debbie Debs. Debbie from down a yard, boop.